All right, today we are going to look at the Anker 60-watt 5-port charger with USB-C power delivery. And so the reason I picked this up is because I still have a number of devices that, depending on where I am around the house, I like to plug in with a cord. And obviously that includes my MacBook. So I wanted to have this multi-port available as an easy way to manage all of those cables and not have so many power supplies laying around. So I picked this up at the Apple store. I will say the first thing that we were confused about when I was talking with the agent at the Apple store is, does this plug into a wall? It kind of looks like from this picture that this cable wraps around and then comes to these two USB-C plugs. And even on the back, you can see this picture where it shows this unit. It looks like this back cable is going to the MacBook, but actually this cable is going to the wall, and the USB-C from the Mac is coming around into the front of this unit. So it was confusing and we couldn't figure it out online, so we just ended up opening up the box and checking for ourselves just to make sure, just minutes after I purchased it. So here is the unit inside the box. As you can see on the back, there is a power outlet input, and then on the front you've got all of the USB plugs. Let's go ahead and open this up. So you've got 4 USB plugs here, as well as a USB-C, and this is just a light that indicates power to the unit. And if we keep opening up the box here, we've got a USB-C cable. So I'll definitely be putting that to use because, as you know, the USB-C power cords for the MacBook, they're expensive, so this is a great value to get this included with this unit. So we've got that. There's a user manual in here, of course, and then we have the actual power cable. Okay, I purchased this in the US. I've got the plug here. It also comes with a nice 2 straps to help manage your cables, which is nice because they can get a little unruly. And the idea here is that I've got all these other devices that I want to be able to plug in, and so with this I can plug in a number of cables as well as the USB-C and have them all kind of. I bought these nice 1/2 meter length power cords at the Apple store. The quality is fantastic. I've tried other cheaper ones, and these do the best. And I bought a bunch of short ones so that I just don't have all this unnecessary extra cable laying around. So that's the Anker 60-watt. Now, if I have all 5 devices, they'll be delivering about 12 watts per cable, which is great. And I think it should do a good job of charging up all my devices pretty quickly. So thanks. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.